Hey guys, it's Phaedra from All Things Phaedra, and remember a couple weeks ago when I showed you the Fillerina system that I was using? It looked like it almost looked like a syringe to fill the lines in my face. Of course, it wasn't a syringe, it was just precision application of this hyaluronic acid. Well, that was something that's really meant to give you results over several months. So you use it for 14 days and then it provides results for up to 3 to 4 months. Well, those 3 to 4 months are over. Time marches on, and Fillerina sent me a product to use. I'm actually really excited to try this. I spoke to them directly, and this is the product that came highly recommended. I think they're all recommended, but for what I'm looking for, this was the suggestion. So this is Fillerina Bio Revitalizing Plumping System 932. It says plumping and redefining effect of the whole face oval. So why is plumping important? Well, from this distance, maybe it's okay, maybe it's not, but I'm going to get in a little bit closer, a little uncomfortably close, and start to show you that this is where the collagen has lost its effectiveness, okay? As you get older, gravity takes its toll and things start to get weighed down on your face. So you can see that some of the things that are happening, you could just use, a little bit of lift. And I now understand why my mom walked around like this all the time saying, if only I could get a facelift. Well, I don't want a facelift. I just want to plump things up a little bit. So that helps with some of the sagging. So that's what this is. This is actually a 4-week product. It's 4-week full application cycle. And this is a mask. It's a revitalization mask with 20 amino acids, 11 vitamins, 6 trace elements, and 2 nucleic acids. I don't know what all that's about, but I thought I would go ahead and start. That's why I'm here in the evening, because this is when I do my evening skincare routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face, get rid of all the makeup, start to get ready for bed, and I'm going to put one of these masks on my face that has to sit for 30 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, I'm back, ready for bed, ready to do my final skincare routine. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what we got going on. Now remember, this is a 4-week treatment. Once per week, you use a mask for 30 minutes. That is exactly the kind of skincare routine I can totally handle. So it comes with 4 separate pouches, one for each week, and we're going to open one up and put it on. Before we progress any further, one thing I'm really bad about doing is just jumping right in and not reading the directions. So, as usual, Fillerina gives it very detailed instructions, and the first thing that they say to do is to drink at least 2 glasses of water. I've already had one, here's my second. What you're doing when you're drinking is you're naturally plumping up the skin, you're naturally hydrating the skin, which I'm sure is going to make it easier for the solutions to better absorb directly into your skin. The second thing is to clean the skin of the face perfectly. Well, I've done that. I've removed my makeup and then I've completely cleansed my face. The next thing is to remove the mask from the sealed bag and carefully detach it from the holder. Place it on the face, making it adhere well. Leave it on for 30 minutes, possibly in a lying position. I planned for this, which is why I'm ready for bed. I plan to basically put the mask on, lay in bed, and read for a little while. I've opened the bag. Oops, it's dripping. It basically comes with a backing, so you're going to peel it away from the backing. If you're not sure which way to put it on, they make it pretty obvious. All right, now they also say make sure it adheres. Oh, it's pretty cold. It's pretty cold. Make sure it adheres. So I am going to, basically seal it up, making sure it is stuck to as many places of my skin as it can adhere to. Oh, it's cold. It is definitely cold. Okay, how is that looking? Oh, the nose needs to come down. All right, if you're a guy watching this, first of all, good for you. Second of all, do you see what we go through for our beauty? And by the way, there is nothing on the package that says this is for women only. Men have sagging too. Okay, let the plumping begin. I'll be back in 30 minutes. Well, it's been 30 minutes and I'm glad I'm here to do this for you because it actually feels really weird on my face, and it almost felt like numbing cream on my face. So what the instructions say is remove the mask, massage in any of the residual fluids in an upward motion. So it does have a lot of, feels like liquid on the face. So, but what it says is that if you're getting a heating sensation, now that's probably what I was feeling. I wouldn't describe it as a heating sensation. It really just felt like, it felt like there was something going on. That's all I can say, which is good, right? Because if you're paying for a product like this, you want something that's more than just claims. You want something that's actually going to do something. So what I'm doing right now is just what it says, massaging in the liquid. I'll let it dry, and you don't want to apply any further product on your face. Now in the morning and for the rest of the week, you get up and you can use your beauty routine as usual. I'll be back in 3 weeks when I have completed the full product cycle, which is once a week face mask, and we'll see if you can tell the difference, and more importantly, if I can tell the difference. Well, are you ready for the stunning, shocking conclusion to my 4-week Fillerina face mask treatment? Now remember, the idea is that it directly applies hyaluronic acid to your skin, and the molecules penetrate the upper layer of your skin to essentially plump it up. So what was I looking for? Well, I was looking for something that made me feel younger. What we were trying to do was just provide a little bit of lift by plumping up the skin. Now, where are my problem areas in terms of plumping? Well, I was hoping to see a little plumping up here to lift up my eyes. If I do have some there, I haven't really noticed. I have separately been using an eye and lip treatment, which you'll have to watch my video for that. But my main problem areas are the problem that most women over 40 have, which is this area, the loss of collagen, and everything starts to sag. And I primarily noticed it here at my jawline. So again, these are subtle changes, subtle differences, because I don't want the dramatic filled look. But what I personally noticed is that this contour right here has definitely improved. I saw a marked difference in my cheek area, and that is definitely as a result of using these plumping masks. So, will it work for you? Well, it depends on the part of your face that you're looking to plump, and I think it depends on your skin type. But for me, I definitely saw a difference in the cheek area. Not as much in my forehead unless you see it. You can tell me. Feel free to leave me a comment below. I'm also leaving a link below for where you can purchase these Fillerina plumping masks. I think it's a really awesome treatment to do maybe quarterly, maybe 4 times a year, maybe just a couple times a year, just to give your face a little bit of lift. I give it high marks, so I recommend you give it a try if you're looking for similar results. Now, if you are a woman or man over 40 and you're looking for some tips and tricks, or you want to figure out how to gracefully fight the challenge of aging, I encourage you to please subscribe. I do a lot of different videos on this channel, but one of them is definitely beauty. So please come back, please like, please subscribe, and leave me a comment, and I will see you next time.